So good morning students, welcome to online physics class. The previous session we have to discuss about I think 4 numericals from nuclei chapter. So today let me talk about remaining numericals. So and one thing, so the Monday you have a physics test. So physics test ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ nuclei ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ numericals ಇರಲ್ಲ. And also I sent the notes, nuclei notes na send ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ and test ಗೆ syllabus ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ atoms and nuclei. So in the nuclei chapter except numericals, but atoms ಅಲ್ಲಿ numericals ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so let us continue. The next numerical, so the numerical notes ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, just check your notes. Calculate the binding energy of an alpha particle from the following data and express in mega electron volt mass of the helium. Mass of helium is 4.00260 atom, and mass of neutron is 1.008665 atomic unit. Mass of proton is 1.007825 atomic mass unit. These are the question. Calculate the binding energy of alpha particle from the following data and express in mega electron volt anta kelidare. So alpha particle means helium atom. So helium atomic number is 2 and mass number is 4. Okay, so ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಬೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ we have to calculate mass defect, again binding energy. So write down the given data is, this is the given things: mass of the helium, mass of the neutron and mass of proton. Helium alpha atom, alpha particle means helium atom. Here it consists 2 protons and 2 neutrons. This is 2 helium 4. This is the alpha particle. Next we have to find mass defect. Mass defect is equals to delta M. You know the formula for mass defect, that is ZMP plus A minus ZMN minus rest mass of nucleus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ nucleus ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು? helium atom. So Z is the atomic number, A minus Z mass number minus atomic number, 4 minus 2 neutrons. Okay, so calculate 2 into what is the mass of the proton? 1.007825 plus A minus Z means, here what is the mass number of helium? 4, atomic number is 2. So A minus Z means 4 minus 2, we getting 2 into mass of the neutron, that is 1.008665 minus mass of the nucleus, that is helium atom, 4.00260. So simplify that. So what is that? Simplify ಮಾಡಿ 2 into 1.007825, that is 2.01565 plus next 2 into 1.00865, that is 2.01733 minus 4.00260. Next, finally we get 2.01565 plus 2.01733, that is 4.08895 minus 4.00260. 4.00260 means, so the mass defect is, that is equals to 0.08636 atomic mass unit. This is the mass defect of alpha particle. Clear? So next, calculate the binding energy. You know the formula for binding energy? Binding energy is equals to delta M into 931.5 mega electron volts. Substitute that. So here binding energy equals, it is denoted by EB equals delta M into 931.5 mega electron volts. So delta M mass defect is 0.08636 into 931.5 mega electron volt. So 0.08636 into 931.5, so that is 80.44 mega electron volts. This is the binding energy in the form of mega electron volt. Clear? So this is the final answer we got. Clear? So first calculate the binding energy of the alpha particle. Here we assumed alpha particle is a helium 2 helium-4. So first in the helium-4 consists of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So next, giving the data, we calculated mass defect. Mass defect is equals to, you know the formula for mass defect, ZMP, atomic number into mass of the proton minus A minus 10 is the mass of the neutron minus rest mass of nucleus. So finally we got mass defect 0.08636 atomic mass unit. The binding energy is equals to mass defect into 93.15 mega electron volts. Finally we got the binding energy 80.44 in the form of mega electron volt. Clear? So next, write down the next numerical. A given coin has a mass 3 gram. A given coin has a mass 3 gram. Calculate the nuclear energy. Calculate nuclear energy that would be required to separate all the neutrons and protons from each other. For simplicity, assume that coil is entirely made of 29 copper 63 atoms of mass 62.9260 unit. So problem ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? A given coin has a mass. Coin has a mass 3 gram. Hello. Hello. Just once again. Hello. No college class ಇದೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು. Listen. A given coin has a mass 3 gram. Calculate the nuclear energy would be required to separate all the neutrons and protons from each other. Assume that coin has entirely made up of 29 copper 63 atoms. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ of the protons and neutrons in 3 grams. So let us assume the coin is made up of copper. So first the coin mass of the coin is 62.9260 units. So here according to Avogadro hypothesis, Avogadro hypothesis, 63 grams of copper 62 contains, you know the value of Avogadro, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 10 to the power of 23. This is the Avogadro number. And so what is the mass of the coin is here 3 grams. 3 grams of atoms. 3 grams of, therefore 3 grams of copper 63 contains n atoms. We don't know how many atoms present in 3 grams of copper. So here this is the 63 grams ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23, that is a constant value. We don't know the coin weight is 3 grams. In the 3 grams of copper contains n number of atoms. We calculated that how many number of atoms present in 3 grams. That is n is equals to 3 grams into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 63. So what is the value of this n? 3 into 6.023 divided by 63 means 0.2868 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. This is the n value. Excuse me. Hello? Yes? Okay, just 2 minutes I am in class. Just half an hour I will back. Okay. So this is the n value. Next thing is mass defect. Mass defect. Here, what is the formula for mass? Delta M is equals to ZMP plus A minus Z Mn into minus rest mass of nucleus. So here 29 copper 63. What is the atomic number? 29. Mass number is 63. That is equals to 29 into mass of the proton, that is 1.007025 plus 63 minus 29. 63 minus 29 into mass of the neutron 1.00865 minus mass of the nucleus. Already they are given mass of the copper 62.9260. 62.9260. Simplify that. So 29 into mass of the proton 1.007025. So that is 29.203725 plus 63 minus 29, that is 34 into 1.00865, that is equals to 34.2946 minus 62.9260. So 29.203725 plus 34.2946, that is equals to 63.498,325 minus 62.9260. So minus 62.9260. So the mass defect is 0.572325 units. This is the mass defect value. So clear? So this is the mass defect. Next, given coil, calculate the nuclear energy of would be required to separate proton and neutrons from each other. Next, energy required to separate protons. Energy required to separate protons and neutrons in unit atoms. That is, binding energy is equals to EB is equals to mass defect into 931.5. So that is equals to, what is that value? Mass defect 0.57717 into 931.5 5. So what is that value? 0.5717 into 931.5. So that is equals to 532.53 mega electron volt. So this is a binding energy to separate the energy required. This much of energy required to separate the protons and neutrons from a mass of 63 uranium. So here, and also calculate energy required to separate protons and neutrons in 3 grams. That is equals to, energy is equals to, what is delta M, binding energy into Avogadro number, binding energy into number of atoms present in 3 grams. That is, binding energy is 532.53 into, so what is the value of 3 grams of copper? How many atoms present? 0.2868 into 10 to the power of 23. So what is the value? 532.53 into 0.2868. So 152.41 into 10 to the power of 23 mega electron volt. 23 mega electron volt. So that is, binding energy is equals to, 152.41 into 10 to the power of 23. Electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So that is 152.41 into 1.6. That is equals to, E equals 243.8 into 10 to the power of 23 minus 19. 23 minus 19, 4, 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4 joules. 10 to the power of 4 joules. This is the energy required to separate the protons and neutrons in 3 grams of uranium. In 3 grams of uranium. This is the final answer. We got this question. So first ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ calculate the nuclear energy. So nuclear energy ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? First 63 grams ಗೆ weight ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. According to the Avogadro hypothesis, we calculate the number of atoms present in 3 grams of copper, that is 0.2868 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Based on, we calculated the mass defect. So we got the mass defect also, and also calculate the binding energy to separate the protons and neutrons in 62 kg of uranium. So and based on that we calculated, so energy required to separate, how much of energy required to separate the protons and neutrons in 3 grams. What is the weightage of coin? That is 3 grams. So how much energy is required to separate protons and neutrons in that weightage? That is 243.8 into 10 to the power of 4 joules. This much of energy is required to separate the protons and neutrons in 3 grams of copper. Clear? So that is the answer. So write our next question. Calculate the amount of energy. Calculate amount of energy released during alpha decay. During alpha decay. During alpha decay. During alpha decay, that is 92 uranium 238 splits into 90 thorium 234 plus 2 helium 4. Given atomic mass of uranium is 92 238, that is equals to 238.05079 atomic mass unit. Same way, atomic mass of thorium 90 thorium 234, that is equals to 235, that is equals to 234.04363 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass of helium 2 helium 4, that is 4.00260 atomic mass unit. Here one atomic mass unit is equals to 931.5 mega electron volt. So this is the equation. So what is the calculate the amount of energy released during the alpha decay. So alpha decay means it emits the alpha particles. So here given data is given atomic mass of uranium and atomic mass of thorium also given and mass of the helium also given. So what we calculated means what is the amount of energy during released during alpha decay. So here first observe this equation. This is the parent. This is the parent elements, parent nucleus. These are the daughter nuclei. These are the daughter nucleus. So idನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? Parent nucleus, and these are the daughter nucleus. So first mass of parent nucleus. Mass of parent nucleus M1 equals, what is that mass of uranium? 238.05079 atomic mass unit. So and again mass of daughter nucleus. So mass of the daughter nucleus ಇಲ್ಲಿ products ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, these are the reactants, these are the products. So products ಬಂದು thorium plus helium. So that is equals to, we consider mass of the daughter nucleus M2, that is 90 thorium 234 plus 2 helium 4. So already they are given mass of the thorium. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 234.04363 plus mass of the helium also given, that is 4.002 260. So add buddy. 234.04363 plus 4.00 234.04363 plus 4.00260, that is equals to 238.040623 atomic mass unit. This is the M2 value. So M1 is the mass of the reactant, M2 is mass of the products. So the uranium splits into thorium and helium. So next, mass defect is equals to delta M equals M1 minus M2, mass of the reactant minus mass of the product. M1 is 238.05079 minus 238.04623. So that is equals to 238.05079 minus 238.04623. That is equals to delta M equals 0.00456 atomic mass unit. This is the mass defect. Next, ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so amount of energy to release the alpha decay. So binding energy is released. So that is equals to mass defect into 0.00456 into 931.5, 0.00456 into 931.5 is equals to 4. E equals 4.24764 mega electron volt. This much of energy is released during alpha decay. Clear? So this is the reaction. Uranium to converts the splitting into two atoms, that is thorium and helium, and also they given the data. By using that data, first mass of this is the reactant and this is the product, or also called as this is the parent element and this is the daughter elements. So first we calculated mass of the parent of nucleus, uranium, and mass of the daughter nucleus, thorium plus helium. So based on that we calculate the mass defect, and also amount of energy is released during alpha disintegration. Clear? This is the answer for this numerical. Next, write down next numerical. Calculate energy released. Calculate energy released in joule. When 2 grams of uranium 235, when 2 grams of uranium 235 undergoes a fission completely
as per the following equation, 92 uranium 235 is bombarded with neutron, splits into 56 barium 141 plus 36 krypton. So 36 krypton 92 plus 3 neutrons with energy. This is the equation. Given data, rest mass of uranium is mass 235.044 atomic mass unit. Barium is 140.920 atomic mass unit. Krypton 91.885 atomic mass unit, and neutron 1.009 atomic mass unit. So these are the given data. So first, what is the, here also calculate the energy released in joules. How much of energy is released in the form of joules of 2 grams of uranium. So here first we calculate the mass of reactants, total mass of reactants, that is equals to, what are the reactants? Uranium and neutron. So already they are given. Uranium mass is 235.044 plus mass of the neutron is 1.009. So what is the value? 235.044 plus 1.09, that is equals to 236.053 atomic mass unit. This is the mass of the reactant. Mass of products. So what are the mass of products? Barium plus krypton plus 3 neutrons. So what is the value of barium? 140.920 plus krypton 91.885 plus 3 into neutrons, 3 into 1.009. So that is finally 140.920 plus 91.885. That is equals to 232.805 plus 3 into 1.009, that is equals to 3.027 is equals to plus 235.805 235.832 atomic mass unit. This is the mass of reactant. Next we have to calculate delta M. Mass defect is equals to M1 minus M2. M1 minus M2, that is equals to M1 is 236.053 minus 235.832. So what is the mass defect? 236.053 053 minus 235.832. That is equals to 0.221 atomic mass unit. This is the mass defect. This is the mass defect of and next, energy released per uranium. Energy released per uranium 235, that is equals to E equals mass defect into 931.5. So that is equals 0.221 into 931.5. Mega electron volts means 0.221 into 10 to the power of into 931.5. 10 to mega means 10 to the power of 6. Electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So that is equals to 21 into 931.5 into 1.6. That equals 329.37 into 10 to the power of. So what is the value? 6 into 10 to the power of 6 is there. 10 to the power of minus 19. So means 19 minus 6. So minus, what is that value? Minus 13. So we write it like this: E equals 3.29 10 to the power of minus 11 joules. This much of energy is released per uranium 235. Next we have to calculate number of atoms present in 2 grams. So number of atoms present in 2 grams of uranium 235, that is N is equals to 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 235. So that equals 235 is equals to 2 into 6.023, 12 divided by 235 is equals to 5.126 into 10 to the power of 21 atoms present in 2 grams. Next, energy released of 2 grams of uranium 235 undergoes fission, that equals, what is that? 2 grams of atoms to 5.26 into 10 to the power of 21 into 3.294 energy, 10 to the power of minus 11. So finally we got 1.688 into 10 to the power of 11 joules. 10 to the power of 11 joules. This is what is that? Energy is released per uranium. This is the number of atoms present in the 2 grams of uranium. Clear? So this is the answer for this numerical. So I continue in next class. So ಸೊ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಟಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್.